Today, we will be taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2012 Honda Civic. This is a one-owner non-smoker vehicle featuring a 1-year, 12,000-mile non-powertrain warranty, as well as the balance of the original 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. This Civic features a 140 horsepower 4-cylinder engine that delivers an impressive 36 miles per gallon highway and 28 miles per gallon city. The 5-speed manual transmission offers an exceptionally light clutch and crisp shifts. Cars.com exclaims that there isn't another compact car in the market with as many significant features for the money. As a certified used Honda, this Civic has gone through a 150-point mechanical and appearance inspection and reconditioning. Combined with Honda's excellent record of reliability, this car will be a great driver for years to come. So if you're in the market for a reliable and fun sedan, come check out this Honda Civic at Fisher Honda in Boulder, Colorado.